Why, hello everyone. Welcome to Redneck Ways. How's everybody out there in YouTube land? Hope everybody's set fine and dandy. Not doing too awful bad, guys, here in old Kentucky. It is Friday. It's finally Friday. Yes. Got to another work week. Got the weekend off. Hope everybody's doing well. And everything is going just your way. Today, guys, got a little video here. I was wanting to show you my 6-volt booster. It is from Allstate, which is, I believe, that is from Sears Roebuck and Company. Sold only by Sears Roebuck and Company. Allstate battery boost. Now this one, I'll show some pictures in here. And this one don't look like any. Well, I guess it does. Push to reset. So it had a reset button. No, I take that back. The pictures you'll see has a switch. 6-volt over here and 12-volt. I cannot find any that's just a 6-volt. That's all this is. Just 6 volts. So this may be older than the ones that's on the internet. I don't know. Somebody put this fuse on here. This big old house fuse. I don't know why. I guess maybe it needed it when, I don't know. But we'll take it apart and look inside real quick. And I'll show you what it looks like. Not much going on in there. There's a big transformer. And that's pretty much it. But it does put out 6 volts. And I'm going to use this, guys, for my filaments for my old radios. There's the back, what the back looks like. Not much, you know. Not super fancy, but it is super old. And it actually still works. So let's take it apart and I'll show you what the inside looks like. And then we'll light up this old tube. We'll light the filaments up on this old thing. And I'll show you how it works. Put you guys up on Sky Vision. Alrighty. There we are. We're up on Sky Vision. So let's take this apart. I've had it apart already once. Looked at it. Make sure everything was good to plug it up. Let's take it apart here real quick. Whoops. Went the wrong way there first. I think it's got like 6-7 screws. Like I said, I don't know why they have that house switch. As y'all saw in the pictures, it used to have a, I think it was a 3-stage toggle switch. So, I kind of wish it still had that, just the reset button. I really don't know why this big old house fuse is on there. But we'll open it up. Let me see if does the bottom come off too. I don't think the bottom. Oh, missing screw. That's what's going on. There we go. It should come apart now. So there's what it looks like, guys. Now, why? You see that big old transformer? I guess this is a resistor. I'm not too awful for sure. Zooming in a little bit here. But yeah, that's a big old transformer. It's pretty dirty. I need to clean it. It has, I guess, the magnet. Just making all that old stuff stick to it. Or not magnet, but you know, where when it comes on, it becomes like a magnet. But I guess this is a big resistor. I don't really know. I have to look it up because I don't know what that is. Side. It's got a sticker here. It says Victor's Electronic Division. Something USA. So it really don't say what it is. I love the little meter in it. It has this little lightning bolt through it. It does have some paint. But yeah, I do not know why they put that big old house fuse on there. Maybe one of you guys will know. And actually the fuse, I was getting ready to say it hooks just directly to transformer, but it doesn't. It goes from this, what we're calling a resistor, to here, and it goes into the gauge here. So I don't know. So I don't know, guys, but I do know it works. So let me put it back together. Let y'all get one more look. Yeah, she's old. That's an old transformer. It's got that old paper. It feels horrible. It's just nasty dirty. It's got this old cloth wire. It has been used. I think this is from the 30s. So it's probably charged quite a bit. Quite a few batteries. So let me put it back together, and I'll do that off camera, and I'll show you how it works. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. While I was gone, I just ate chili, Mom's homemade chili. Oh, I ate too much. Always do. Delicious stuff. Oh, so if I kind of sound out of breath or something weird, that's why I ate too much. Guys, in front of you all is my flashlight collection. Now, it's not as broad as my radio collection because these are not the easiest things to find. I mean, at least not for me. These date back all the way to the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And they're all metal. And they're all they're not LED. They're just, I guess, what would that be? Analog light? What is that called? A distant light? Maybe that's wrong too. But I finally found me one. It takes months looking around to find one. This is about 2 years of just looking, because I go to a lot of antique stores and a lot of flea markets and stuff. So this one, like I was showing you a minute ago, this is the one I just bought. It's an Ever Ready. I think quite a few of these are Ever Ready. We ain't got some old Ever Ready batteries. These are radio batteries here, but the flashlight batteries usually look like that. Some of them is black, and they say Black Cat. But yeah, I always had that cool looking cat in the middle, and you all can't see because the light ain't on. I always liked that cat. Definitely reminds me of my childhood, because we always, every toy we had that Black Cat battery. So this one is a captain, and I got to get my glasses, and I didn't do it. Alright, this one here is what they call a captain. So I don't know if it's just where, I guess it's just where it's big, and it has this little ring. Most of them do. I think there's 2 or 3 that don't. I think this one's supposed to, but it's missing maybe. I'm not for sure. But I guess that's to hang it up when you're camping or whatever. And made in USA. All 6 of these are made in the USA. It's got this little metal badge. Says Ever Ready Captain. This one has batteries, but they are not the broadest. Need to get some more batteries. But the switch is a multi-switch. If you have it, you can turn it all the way off, or you could turn it all the way on, and it'll stay on all the time, but you can pull it back in the opposition. And that little black button, you can just push that little black button down, and your light will come on. That way you don't got to worry about switching it on and off. Now, I am looking for one that I had when I was a kid, and it looks a lot like this one, but it's super small. It's only about this long. So, but it's made out of metal and everything. Now, this one here, this is an odd one. I don't know why it has this odd looking shape. Very odd looking. But this is also made in the USA. Same thing. You can turn it all the way off and use your button there to just turn it on and off. No, actually, you got to turn this one all the way on, or halfway, and then you can use your button. This one doesn't have batteries. But yeah, it's very odd shaped. I really never understood that. I don't know why, other than the looks. That's all I know. If it's just for a look thing, I don't know. It's very odd. Alrighty, get that tightened back up. And then this one here is actually, I think, the only rail back I have. I think I pronounced that right. But this is a Sportsman. You can see right here. Same thing, little metal badge. This one has a little bit of battery left, not much. But it's the same, you turn it halfway. Maybe. Yeah. It's all the way on. Oh, my button isn't working. I turn all the way up, it does. Huh. I don't know. But anyway, it's supposed to work. And then we got this little tiny one, which I call this my shotgun shell lot. Made in the USA. This is a sun lot right here. And it has a little, if I can get it up, may have to get a screwdriver to help it. Down on it pretty good. There we go. It has that little hook. Now I can't get it back on there. There we go. And I need batteries for this one. I don't think I have any here. Show you inside this one. I think this one's odd. It's like I said, it's a Sunbright, I believe. Yeah, Sunbright. And they did their bulbs really weird. That little bulb just screws in there. There's a little bulb. I need to buy some batteries for them. I like using these when I catch live bait, when I catch night crawlers in the yard. Because it seems like my LED, if I try to use my phone light, they just don't, I don't know, it's not good. This one, I think, comes apart here too. I don't know. I don't know how you get this out. But to put the batteries in. I've never put batteries in this one. I haven't had this one super long. I think I figured it out here a while back. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I just bought it, put it on my shelf. Because this doesn't come off. It's riveted. So, I don't know. I'll have to look more into that. But that's called a little Sunbright. 1960s, made in the USA. And that brings us to my newest one. This one is an Ever-Ready. What's that called? Master Lit. Ever-Ready Master Lot. Ain't that crazy how this one's called a Captain. And this one is a Master Lot. Same thing. It's got a little button here you push. Actually, it's got the same switch as this one. Looks a lot alike. Almost identical, except this one has a black button. This one has a red one. This one doesn't have that little hook. The plastic, red plastic here, it feels really good. It don't feel like that cheap plastic. It's also made in the United States, USA. Ever-Ready stamped in the handle. Look inside of it. There's what it looks like inside, nice and clean. So what we need to do, let's see if we can put a bulb in it, guys. I've got to figure this. I had this out the other day. It twists and comes out somehow. I got it. And so I twisted it, and it came off. So I guess the bulb drops in there. It's kind of odd. So I don't know if I got the right bulbs here or not. Here's these little miniature lamps. So we'll see if one of these fit. Let's see here. Guess it just supposed to drop down in here like that. Yeah, I think it's going to work. It drops down in like that, which just needs cleaned. Let me see if I can clean this up. I don't know if I can get this out. Kind of beveled in. I don't want to break nothing. I don't think I'll be able to get that out. I wish I could so I clean that lens. You would think it would screw out or something, but I don't believe so. It almost acts like it when it's come out of there. So close. And then this is real glass. It's not no plastic. It's a real piece of glass in there. That's real glass. That's plastic. This is a little bit, I would say, a cheaper flashlight. Still made in the United States, but a little bit cheaper made. This one's glass. I can't tell. This one may be glass, the crystal. Well, I can't get that off, guys, so I'm going to have to do the next best thing and use a Q-tip and try to use alcohol and get down in here and clean this. It looks like it's sitting in mud or something. It ain't really doing too good, is it? I don't know why I can't get that out. At least I can get some of it out of there, I guess. It's like it was sitting in the mud somewhere for a long time. I tried to pry it out, but I'm afraid I'll break that crystal in it. See if I can dry it up now. Some of that won't come off. I can put a paper towel down in it, maybe. Well, it looks like it'll fall right out of there, but it won't. Not unless the dirt's actually holding it in. I put a little oil down around the edge, and I got it to pop out. It must have had grime around the edges here. Now we can clean it. We can clean it up good now. Thing was filthy. That looks better, don't it? Nice and reflective. Now, can we get the lens out? Yeah. Now we'll clean that lens, and that is a piece of glass. Looks like it's got a little rough mark here. They wouldn't dare put a piece of glass in anything now, would they, guys? They'd be afraid they'd get sued. It would break and cut somebody. There's no way they do that nowadays. Which I'm sure is pretty tough, crystal. Because it's not broke. And it's probably been dropped a few hundred times to its life. Gotta clean. Look how nasty it was inside that ring. Which the ring's made out of brass. You just don't get this nowadays, guys. You don't get this quality no more. They ain't gonna sell you anything with brass in it. You barely get copper in your wires nowadays. It's thin. They thin it down as much as possible. But look, brass, and then the flashlight itself is stainless. It may be polished up aluminum, but I don't think so. I think it's stainless. I think we got it pretty clean. I think we put our bulb in now. I think we can see that's brass also. And it weighs about 2 ounces. Alright, let's put it back together. Get the lens here. Okay, clean a little bit better. It's got a few little swirls in it. About as good as I can get it. Our lens back in. There's the lens. Now, what do I do with the other piece? Oh, there it is. Let's get that put back in. There we go. Almost. There we go. Don't that look better? Now let's put our bulb in. This has 2 little marks. I hope. Oh, I know what the marks are. It's for this to grab hold of. Okay. Alright. That's all back together. Got a new light bulb. Unfortunately, I think we're going to have to use my battery. Let me see if I got some batteries, guys. Well, one good thing I forgot. Excuse me, guys. I forgot. But I had some of these Ever Ready Golds sitting in the shelf. So, pretty cool. We'll put Ever Ready's in an Ever Ready. I don't know if this switch needs any oil. Boy, it's a little, feels a little tight. Maybe I'll put a little oil in there too. It's sat in an antique store for a long time. In behind a bunch of stuff forgotten about. So, it needs a little loving. Seems like it's working a little bit better. It still don't have the throw that I think it needs. Well, that's the, this one don't move much either. Alright, let's put the batteries in and see what it does. Oops. Make sure that broke. See if I can get it to go together here. Got pushed down on this. There we go. I'm gonna check these batteries. Something ain't getting contact. I had the batteries in backwards, guys. But yeah, it's got the little button. You push. Well, maybe. You all just saw it work, didn't you? Alright, guys, I'm going to change the bulb. I don't know, maybe that oil or something got on something. Because it's working perfect, and then it went from working to not working. So, we'll put another bulb in it, but we know it works. There's just something going on. Maybe with that switch, I don't know. Like I said, that oil could be doing something. But the switch is starting to work really good now. So it needed that oil. So let's put a new bulb in it. And we'll call it because I don't want to make this video too awful long. I hope everybody's having a great Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. It's supposed to be really nice here in Kentucky where I live. Let's see here. There it is. Let's screw that in. Put the batteries back. Put them in the right way this time. There it is. Well, you all just saw it come on. This thing's playing games with me. There it is. Well, it's like if I crank it down too tight, it won't work. But there it is, guys. Super bright. That's a nice flashlight there. Got some weight to it. Just, that's nice. You're just not going to find anything like that nowadays, guys. Not unless you pay big dollars for it. And the thing about it, back in the day, this was sitting right there on the shelf at a good price, at a decent price, affordable price. And it was made very well. I hope one day we get back to that. Man, that's nice. That's good and bright. Of course, those are new batteries. We'll have to get new batteries for all mine. Because see, this one, not all that bright. That's the Captain. That's the Captain. This one is the Master Light. The Master Light. This one don't have batteries in. This one is the Rollerback. Rollerback. I can never pronounce that, but this is a Sportsman. It needs some more batteries. And I still haven't figured out how to get in this one. Alrighty, guys. I hope you all have it. Like I said just a second ago, I hope you all have a great Friday. You guys stay safe. And until the next one, I'll see you right here. Redneck Ways. Bye, guys.